Hey guys, we're back with another video, and in this one we are going to colorize folders inside your Windows 10. So without any further delay, let's get started. Those of you who don't like the basic look of the folder and want to customize and change the color of the folder in Windows Explorer, I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's very simple and easy to do, and it will be done within a few clicks. Let's go ahead and head over to the website where we will be downloading the software to be able to change the colors and the icons on the Windows Explorer. So you will have to visit this website, and I'll leave the link in the description. It is called the Folder Painter, and you might see different features added or removed to this program depending on the version and the time you're viewing this video. There are quite a few areas over here which will take you to the download page, but we are looking for the download button right at the bottom. So while you scroll down here, you will see how you can change or customize the whole menu and everything over here. And when you come down to the bottom, here's a little button that says download. Click on this button and the download will start. Let me save this file. Okay, great. Now once you have downloaded this file, let's just extract it. Let's go ahead and open this folder, and here you will see two versions of this program. One for the 32-bit systems and other one for the 64 as well. Just click the one that suits your PC. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll just click on this one. And here we got the folder painter open over here. Now here you have quite a few buttons over here to customize it in the way you want. You can also change the name of it so it's easily visible to you, and you got 14 different colors that can change. There are some settings in here like add a new menu, remove the menu, and rebuild the shell icon cache. We have an install button over here, and it does not actually install anything. It just goes to your context menu, and it's not a program that is installing, but it's just adding stuff to the right click context menu. You will see it in a bit. There's a menu down here that says play sounds, rebuild shell icon cache, and command line info. Also, you can change the language of the application from here. Let's just install this and take a basic look at what it looks like once we got this installed. I just want to right click and refresh so we can see what it looks like when you open up the folder over here. Now if you right click on the folder, and you should see the change folder icon over here, because we didn't give it a name and we left it as default. But of course you can change this within the folder painter itself. Let's just color these folders so we can recognize them easily. All you have to do is to right click on the folder and change the color of the folder to whatever color you may like. I got a bunch of folders over here, so let me quickly change the color of all these folders. And now we've got a lot of folders with lot of different colors over here. So you can select whatever color scheme you may use at your work or on your PC and set this to exactly how you like it to be. Now if you head back over to the website, here you will have some custom folders that you can change as well. Also, instead of changing the color, you can change the folder icon as well, which makes it much more cool and recognizable. Let's quickly download them and extract them. Now there's a lot of icon packs over here, and let me quickly show you a glimpse of a few of them. Basically, you can use them to change the folder icon to whatever you like. For demonstration purpose, I'll be using this icon pack over here, which is basically for office stuff. But of course, you can choose the one you like. Also, we have these one like Photoshop, YouTube, uTorrent, and all those sort of stuff. Let's go ahead, and what we are going to do now is open up some folders, and I'll show you how to change the icons as well. I have one folder over here called Office, and inside here I have a bunch of different folders to show you how exactly we can change the icons of these. So let's get back to the program by right clicking on the folder and going down to Launch Folder Painter. Now we have the folder painter running again, and in here we can create a new menu and give it a name. That's what we are going to do. So click here and change the name by typing in the new name over here to something more recognizable. Okay, let's select the icon here and navigate to the folder we just downloaded and locate the Office icon pack and select the desired icon. For this one, let me select the Microsoft Word icon and rename it to Docs. I'll just speed up the procedure for doing the same with other icons. Okay, let's just go back to the folder and right click on it, and you should see the Office in the menu system now. I'm just going to right click and select the icon that I want to set. These are much more recognizable and more visible to you when you're working on your PC, and you should be able to identify the different folders by just looking at their icon. It makes a lot more easier to find things visually. And if you too have a lot of folders on your system just like me, this program is going to make your life very easy to look for the folder that you want. Very nice, quick and easy. Let's just change the icon of the Office folder as well to be able to differentiate it. Okay, so basically this is how it looks like in general, and you know how it works now. And if you want to go back to the default icons, just select the folder, right click on it and use the default icons, and it will change all of the selected folders to the default one. And here we got it back to default, very quick and easy. You can also remove it from the right click context menu by going back to the folder painter and removing it from here by selecting rebuilding shell icon cache. And that's basically how you can change the folder colors inside Windows 10, very simple and easy. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, check out other cool videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.